Hi, today we'll have a look at how to use the Excel inventory template. We'll start by hiding the top ribbon to have more space. Perfect. First, let's go into the suppliers page. This is where we list all suppliers. Let's add a new one called Cycle & Co. Great. Moving on to the category section. As you can see, this is where we list all inventory categories. Let's create a new one we'll call Mechanical Parts. Awesome. The last and main data input section is the inventory database. This lists all items in the inventory, their quantities, and other details. Let's add a new one together. We'll first input an item ID. Let's say 6430. And we'll give our item a description. We'll indicate this item as being a mechanical part and our supplier being Cycle & Co. We'll indicate a stock location, let's say shelf LC22, and enter an inventory date. We'll also enter a stock quantity and a unit cost. The total value auto-calculates based on the stock quantity and the unit cost. Now we'll also indicate a reorder level and a days per order, which is 2 weeks. Finally, we'll also indicate the item reorder quantity being 100. As you can see, the last column, the reorder alert, automatically populates based on the information we filled in and indicates if a reorder is needed or not. Great, let's analyze. First, we'll go to the categories inventory report. We'll first make sure that we hit the refresh button to ensure the latest data is being shown. Great. This report groups all items into their categories and indicates the stock quantity, the stock value, and the average stock value per item, as well as the percentage indicating the stock quantity of the category compared to the total stock. Moving on to the Reorder Need Report. This report lists all items that require a reorder, indicating the current stock, the reorder level, the quantities missing to reach the order level, and the percentage representing how much each item weighs and the total amount to reorder. Finally, the dashboard. The dashboard helps visualize in a glance the major metrics, such as the total stock quantity and its value, the average number of reorder days, the number of items per category or their values, the number of items per location or their value, etc. That's it. You know everything you need to know about our Excel inventory template. And you're ready to start using it now. Enjoy!